To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Woo, yeah, yeah. Woo. Show them Tim Dog. Yeah. To the world again. I am Mason. Show them. You know what? You hear? Through all the good times and the bad times, I'm a survivor. Yes, I'm a survivor. Through all the good times and all of the bad times, I'm a survivor. Yes, I'm a survivor. I and I, we are the real survivors. Nothing they can do can never keep us down. Oh no, no, no. I and I, we are the real survivors. Fittest of the fittest shall survive. Through all the good times and the bad times, I'm a survivor. Yes, I'm a survivor. Through all the good times and all of the bad times, I'm a survivor. Yes, I'm a survivor. I'm a survival. Food got to be at me arrival. Prepare for shows and tidal. Hey, survival. Food got to be at me arrival. Cause some people just a move so suicidal. Woo. Survival. Food got to be at me arrival. Prepare for shows and tidal. Hey, survival. Food got to be at me arrival. Cause some people just a move so suicidal. Hey, vocabulary advance. People a wonder, oh what a one, me say farming. All in my mind I just farm. Me not farm food.
Oh, God. General.
General, I come J.
Yeah, what thing?
You mean my life great, you know, I have life no J.
See, what kind of breeze blowing us in the house?
Boy, why you are there with skin there, you know? When I want to skin there, so nice and sexy up here, like inside bed, you know?
I get that, man.
Yes, I tell you, how long when I say my J? What one?
I'm just going to do okay, I don't know, say work kind of pressuring, so right now, my wife gone out the road, you know?
What you say? That me a talk about my J.
Yeah.
You know what I say from one day? This is my wife, my woman up there, you know? I watch some sitting for the phone, look married thing and look, you know, yeah man, look proposal thing and thing. Me wonder what she a pray no brother, cause me's a man who no go in front of church and me a tell pastor this and tell pastor that in no brother. Me born pastor in no brother.
See.
So right now me a pray right now say yo, I want settle down. I don't want to put man in no brother. Yes bro, I want settle down. What do you think about that?
I mean I said to you, say right way, you know, say for you secure them certain way, man, give them a ring for them finger, you know. They really calm down, cause you see that first part of every relationship, a woman look for the ring.
Yeah.
So when they get the ring, them kind of, you know, cool down with it, check your phone and, you know, all them sitting there wonder where you're dead. Cause them secure a certain way. But you see my wife now, how she deal with things, you know. She make sure say she have friend who are married to. You understand me? I say, hey, cause she can't marry and then have friend where they are road and they are road and yeah, you know what I mean, so that. But yo, it's a good. We never expect it's a blessing for you, brother.
Saying about my woman love gambling, brother.
Yeah.
You know how me and she go work out with on that side there, you know. If money me have in the house and I gone, I'm say Chinese pocket, you know what.
No, you know, see.
Man try broke out of that habit still.
Yeah, man.
I
I think we have to just take a time and talk, cause me not lie. And the other way now. Me used to be the gambler.
Jeez.
And then for my wife now, she kind of said to me, say, yo, might as well use the money and do something, see something out of the money than I push in a poker box or spend a certain way and rotate it. So, the flip side, so, yo, you can try that so I want, because if you say you're retard,
you want me retard, man.
If you say you want to settle,
you mean, man.
You don't know anything when you come to the family.
You mean, man.
You don't know something the best man, you know. Yeah, brother. How you feel, man? Do it, man. Just take your time.
I tell you the truth, I'm nervous to hear my thing about the idea right now. Yo, I never put on a bush and tie it in a Batman.
Yeah.
Never, I know me a real G in the street, you know me think going to Batman. Never.
But you know say, you can't wear shorts in the church.
Eh?
You can't wear shorts.
I don't question us when I talk about man, I don't question us man. I want to give man still on G in Batman, we are talking about bro. Anyway,
That's cool.
the pass carry for my waist.
That's cool.
I don't give man.
Alright, no wrong with that.
Yo, I never back up to my right now, but I'm going to miss me an inch, you know.
Actually,
I swear.
chat to her, but don't tell her. I'm tell her if you need proposal. If you say I got proposal, you have to be romantic.
What kind of romantic you talking about?
I'm telling you
You don't pay me. Me not know that.
Listen to me, man. You know.
Look about me.
Listen
Not
to me.
bad man, you know, you can buckle up on me, Rasta.
Hear me, I say, man. You see them a thing. If no one will find you walk in and afar, look in her eyes and bring her somewhere quiet outside and everything, but I feel like you can just run in and say, yo, marry me. No.
That's it. Marry me.
No.
How do you think I did so?
No, you have to just say.
Jesus Christ.
You know what I know to talk to her.
Born as a dog, you grow as a dog, you shall learn as a dog.
No, you have to do it like a dog, you know, dog bark, a dog.
Yeah.
You hear me I say, you hold her and talk to her and say, babe, long time I know you, long time I rate you. Give her a real steady meditate. You know what I mean? And you will see, she will flip around and she will either change right away or she plans to change.
You know what's
I tell you, brother.
I really watch them people on TV and I saw them taking on everything, you know.
No, that man.
You know?
Do it, man, do it.
Buy some pretty flowers and everything. And them things I talk about.
That is it, my brother, you know?
So, you
Do
know,
it, man.
I've got her hair there, you know.
Yeah, man.
Before she car before I'm missing right now.
Yeah, do it, man.
So,
Do it.
let's see some G.
My brother. See?
Active my G, man.
Alright, I'm on there. Let's make sure say you can't give me back my money by next week. As a talk. See?
You must have a good things for the evening. I have Mr. Ben pick up here, Alicia, Selena.
Alright, just give me a call. Alright, give me a call for
Everyone pick
the
up here.
Yeah,
So,
but-
when you can't pick us, I have things to go. So, me link you.
Alright, brother. You come because you come with a nice store, never just forget my money.
Yes. Yes, I can sleep so.
You know, I'm tired. Aren't you, man?
I'm tired.
Don't mark it, to go collect something.
I'm gonna market.
So
Look at the stomach then.
don't forget my book, man. You have to get my book for. You must say pause and say we have to keep that going.
Yeah.
I want to keep the fire blazing, you know what I mean? You're good.
So, yeah, I'm tired. I'm just tired.
Ah,
You could go some breakfast with me?
to be honest, I think I'm going to want some food stuff for you guys. Tired of little egg and sitting and bread and sitting, guys, you know?
I'm sure that.
And then you will say, you never want about no saltfish and sitting, so I'm just say, alright. Let me just wait until you follow the right way. So how are you? You good?
Alright, you know what me feel? Me I eat?
Why not?
Salt mackerel. Even though I say I never want a saltfish, but I know a long time I eat salt mackerel. And me have breadfruit for roast and so forth.
You know, I can't take breakfast sense. Anytime you do breakfast, I come out there.
No, me roast them outside.
Okay.
And today I say I'm gonna roast them today.
Yeah, baby, because me today say they just tell someone support. But hey, guess who found that today?
Oh.
My virgin. That's Brad, you know Brad?
Mm-hmm.
In the youth, you know, hustler youth, you know. I'm gonna look charge man, but it's like him a come talk to me what the fact say him was married.
That's not bad.
You know, because he must say, boy, if you know, say, you know, he want to take it the next step because woman don't feel like she, you know, she take certain things. It's like upon a party, man, take it. I'm realize say, you know, if him really are tired, that he really love her for true. You know what I mean? So, yeah, he might talk certain things. And I tell him, say, do it, man. Propose to her and, you know, take a time and, you know, marry her and thing. But that's a good sign, not true?
Of course, because knowing him, well, living
Street
life
man.
like an animal, so hope him love her and a time want tear her down and then go to her home.
I don't think so, guys. You know, for him to say that right now, it'll come from a different place. And maybe he want down the street, you know, maybe we don't know, can never tell the stuff. We just encourage him certain way and, you know, make him do stuff, you know. But, oh, your sister, the mad one,
I don't know.
she had take her pill then?
I have no idea. Last time I called her, she said, oh, well, we are trying to get rid of her, so we have to call her phone. Because she knows that we have plan up against her, and we are trying to get rid of her, and we don't love her, because we want to get rid of her because of her place, and mommy and daddy left her name in night, and the only way we can get it is to get rid of her. So I pill them which the doctor gave her. She said, we tell the doctor them to get her. So she knows that we want to kill her, so she not take them.
The reason I say that to them because, you know, I say we invest enough in our house, and I tell you from man, say, make we go buy one place and build. And you say you want to walk out that place and you live, you're born in it and you want to grow and dead in it and something. And me I say to you, say, you know, have to do that. So now see we are stuck in a family issues because of situation. Now what if one day she come in and come dash peace pound? What we gonna say? She mad?
No, fear in my mind, but guess what I'm going to do? I can call the people them down at Bellevue and tell them say they need to come get her and she get her a joke. Can you tell she act up so you know so she not take the medication them. So me for call them and tell them to come get her and she get her a joke. I mean she stay on the phone 3 months.
Any day you call them and then come here, make me not there. Because I can't witness certain things right now. I can't bear it because, you know, a phone of family, I mean, I want she go thump me and then me gonna knock him out and he feel like say, boy, I don't feel like say, boy, I mean, I sabotage certain things. Me not depend that. You understand?
Babe, she not do nothing.
She not do nothing?
No, you never hear her one night.
When you know none of that one night. You remember the time when you claim say, no man, she depend on her meds and thing. And she come in and she take a plate and fling and bust me head. You remember that time? Ne? You remember how I feel?
I mean, she didn't want to leak.
Yeah, me know, but because... So why you never tell me to duck?
Well, I never say she have me, but all I know in the year she was asked me take away her man. Me what she say, yeah, man, and I get there and take you away. You forgot?
Yeah, me forget. Because I want to forget if it's true, because I'm madness that.
Yeah, but you know, say, so she always like, yeah, you know, so she always like, I entire egg go and come, she always cuss me and say me teeth for her, man. You know, so she operate. So that is why when the play fling on me, she definitely play that final. That you never there pay attention, that is why you get it. You know, what she say when the play lick you? If she have said, what she say when the play lick you?
Sorry.
And if I you me want lick, that's what she say?
He said sorry.
And that girl with teeth, my man. Look at you now, remember.
Me hear that, but me don't hear that, because me don't hear that. Whatever you understand me, sir.
Me understand this, but you know, sir, ignorant. Nobody now look on her.
You know, if you do another fast, you understand me, I say? Do another fast. When I go wait until something bad and drastic happen, and then you know, try. What? You know, say, I that me go, me not depend on that. So
you want to go left me, your wife, in the house?
I'm not saying go out, me not left you. You're mad. And me you together for forever and ever.
May I call the people in? They call the ladies and for call back Wednesday. Because the unit will pick them up. Them don't work until Wednesday. So remind me Wednesday for call them.
Well, you remain sure remind about Wednesday. You must have upon it or something. Yeah?
This morning she asked me where me I go. Where you there?
Me?
What Mr. go to do? Where you go? How my man there? Mr. My son come back, me I go market. You can't follow me. I'm not follow you go nowhere because I'm man, you have a look.
Alright.
Me say it's alright, nobody follow me, stay.
All me I say, take matters in your hand quickly before it slip out of your hand. Too big can fit in your hand and it out. The lead of everything one can fix. You hear me I say? Take me little dirty words them and little small words them, soft words them. Don't take it for granted. Alright?
It's not that for granted, but you must understand, say, you know.
Keep ranking.
That's a shake one wish not to cry.
Keep ranking.
You know, some man of people.
You lie.
No, you remember from the last time I night bust my finger?
Why? Because you don't watch TV while I play the game.
No, I don't know how to feel it, that's why.
You know how to pay. Pay attention.
It's never cook, man. Chow the Yankee.
Yeah, the Yankee. I'm carrying that.
So me go make up the fire outside roast the rest.
Make sure you do it outside. We can't bother if you're going to gas every time. Right? You play knife to come in knife to baby. Lord of mercy. Yeah?
Akila want to kill me! Akila want to kill me!
What's wrong with the
Oh,
computer?
no, long time you want to kill me. No, 3 hours left in my mind. You want to kill me, you go for night. Eh? You know, I'm wicked.
Martha, come sit down. Come on, auntie.
So you go for night, man, baby.
I said, peel the cane. I peel him up, peel the cane with him. Now, do what now, do nothing.
I can't believe I'm going to
baby. So yeah, man, Safa. Remember, say I'm me first do it, you know.
Leave my husband alone, please.
What act you? What act you? Which? Eh? What act you? Remember, so when I made it our power road, I show you was spending money making talk to you, you know.
What?
I'm on
Listen.
you. I'm on you. See?
Leave my husband alone. What do you?
Love me like so that.
Leave him. What's wrong with you? You take a medication for man?
Which medication?
The medication what the doctor give and say if you take them.
You know that time.
Come on. Look after my husband.
Possible.
Don't worry yourself. I'm gonna make a
My
call.
husband.
Stop. You need to stop. Alright?
So where I want to
No, I'm not going now. You need to stop. Talk to your sister. Come and can't. But
sit down, man. Sit down, man. That being like that.
Doctor, no,
So like you know, mommy.
yeah. What time? Give me yourself.
no.
Come now, make them come here. Jesus, give me phone. What wrong with you?
Behave yourself, make them a call.
Behave yourself, me say. You want breakfast? Come make some breakfast here.
Box, I check this.
Come
Sick
on,
and
let me make
tired.
some breakfast here. Come, let me make breakfast here.
Come
Come.
on, what for eat?
Come some over here, son. I want to talk to you. When you not stop them foolish there? Eh? You know something? Watch you. Come here and talk to you. You know, so when you take a medication and behave like this, come sit down, I need to talk to you. Let him go.
Come sit.
Let him. Let him.
Yeah, move out him.
One bit.
Move out.
Jesus. I want to talk to you. When you behave yourself, you know, so when you take a medication and behave like this, come here, me buy ice cream. Me buy ice cream. You know ice cream? Come on. Where you want? What you want?
Want chicken.
Alright, come and go like kitchen go cook it.
I want that chicken.
Eh?
I want that chicken there.
What kind of chicken you want? Take your foot off and
I want KFC chicken.
alright, come here back KFC. Come. Leave me put.
Babe.
Come, Inga. Come, where got KFC? We never stop baby yourself. Once you know. Father, God help me.
Oh, kill me.
See what? Who kill you?
Oh, kill me for yours.
Nobody know want to kill your house. Just want you to get better. If you don't see if you take a medication, you feel better. Where you going? Father God, help me. How make a man job earlier?
Yeah.
I don't know,
In the name of the Most High, make we come out of that place here. It'll get so, but it will get worse. The union want you.
Please, you should have me can't live for
Me not
alone.
see with nobody. You need to either call the people and make them carry him down so, or she will do you something and do me silly. You realize the girl who can't palm me like say, I don't know what in her brain, something chip. You know when talk about something before you meet me or something?
No, you know, so she shouldn't take her medication. Then.
So what you know me she take her
But she have a
medication?
like for Rasta man. She love Rasta man.
If I see me
Remember the Rasta man, she didn't get her tired now. So I don't know that her mind mixed up and her brain mixed up. I think you should say you a fear man. And brain mixed up because she didn't take her medication. Guess what? I call the man and he said he cannot come until 10:30.
Jesus.
I said, I don't want she go because you know when she can't go walk up and down but we have to go walk and look for her.
So me now want to this time myself. Last time me want me in the book with two. Me cut the two and
Please remember you know say she sick.
me know, but you know. You know.
So two she sick come for the run left her?
All me I say to you, so do we have to do it fast. You understand what I say?
You don't like this, because you make you look at me for choose between you and my sister.
I don't choose that choose between me. I choose between the insanity we are going and getting her good.
But you have a kid, so?
When you say wicked, you say I'm not that.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, my sister, what am I going to do?
Now forward I work, man. I come on work, man, because I take it easy, brother. I'm tired, bad man. Tired, me tell you, I'm tired, yo. Things gonna work out that day. More part as well, brother. Because I tell you right now. I don't want to do it, brother. Everything good. So, let's make sure so you organize the party. Yeah. It out going on. Oh yeah. Let me see what. Yo. Me a found. Yeah man. This is not there. What do you mean you come to this sister? This a boy? No, wrong somebody. Wrong somebody.
Let me ask somebody. Can I like makeup?
Eh?
Like makeup?
Yeah man, it look good for you.
And I said you will come to do
Listen.
to care about one date because so we have one to remember saying and me for see her like and through my sister come around and I talk big words and I go and say she intelligent and that's why I deal with my sister but me intelligent too and we can talk big words as well but we just don't want to talk them. You understand? But you see the truth
Hey,
is wrong
don't do that. Your sister and me been living here for over the years now.
in my house.
And no matter your house, it's just because them when put the thing in a fear name by accident.
No, it's not accident. That's what she told you. It was accident. But me forget it was. You see, if you chose me, your name would have in a list. By now, everything would have turned over to you. But it's because you chose the wrong one, you're going to get knocked.
Alright, I prefer get knocked. So you take it that.
So, what you say, I'm not open to date?
Oh, alright. When you say date, what do you mean? Like,
Go get me.
go eat out the rubbish bin? Me no depend that.
I remember that.
Alright, so listen to me, Miss Marika. You have a big
So, where are you now?
misunderstand. Me no want my head get mad. Give me my hat.
No, your head not get mad.
You realize you don't really smell too fresh. Me understand see I put on makeup and them something but you see if you go all the way out, your head you
Alright.
no but no sir. What I want. What you need to do is this. You see if you go say you put yourself together, you have to shower. You have to shower too. You can't think so.
I don't like how you are this me, you know. I feel weird after me put all of my trust in there, you come and this me.
Alright, the trust me have to.
After me beard and put on my makeup and set up myself, I am going to talk about some swimming.
The trust we have put, you need to put it in a Jesus here, because this is not work out.
Which one Jesus?
It's in your heart and soul and mind. Alright, listen to me, I say. I don't want to get this thing too, too fresh, so you coming too close, I don't want to sneeze.
So you're going to talk.
In the name of the Most High, I'm asking you, I don't rebuke you. I rebuke that scent that comes Miss Marika. I don't want to be rude, I don't want to get myself now.
Come on.
You have one day, alright, go by it. You have one day?
Hug me up first.
Alright, no, me over by door.
No, hug me up.
When you reach, I do me
I
over.
got some
No.
Yes,
Yo,
some water.
listen to me, no, man. Miss Marika! Go back, my beard, me can't go up now.
So you're ready for the pandemic now?
Yeah, correct one day, just a second. Yes. Alright, I know some people walk, I know some. You see, that's the reason we
Oh, people walk.
normal people don't act so.
Oh,
They act normal.
Oh.
See?
wrong with them?
Me have to go. Alright, so come, you ready?
You first one.
Oh, me left, no.
And then,
Yeah?
yeah, easier.
Yeah, sit down.
You want to sit down?
I want.
Yes, nasty.
Me mean it's nasty.
Look, slippers here, so. This right there, so look. Look on the place, look.
Hello.
Bag here, so.
Make without sin cause the first one, cause your place not clean none at all. Just remember that I have my sister here and I get no good and sometimes she just miss the place. I'm not gonna lie when I like how this place smell. But when I said that put on this and that put on this, so what is the big
You
deal?
don't care about your sister. Are your place or your sister place? Who are on the place?
My sister place.
Your sister place?
Mm-hmm.
Move over.
You just come like say you just come here to come talk about my place. And your place no better none cause. So what you talk about girl?
At least it's nicer.
How?
You see that TV there?
Yeah,
My TV bigger than that.
So you come here to compare the things them what you have and what me have.
Of course, why not?
Let me tell you something. Me can't deal with this. If I don't come for you can leave now. No?
Me not left. I'm gonna tell you about your place. And you say you have a husband, look how your place there. You gonna fix the place up. What kind of husband you have? A husband you have?
Typically you like each other. Just not bad not married to you. Nobody want you. So the better go talk about say if my husband a husband may have. The matter the reason is you never turn a wife and nobody not going married to you. Okay?
I lie, you I tell. Me not tell you, but a husband you have. Yeah, your husband go fix the place up, but husband.
Well, you never fix your dirty floor. If you don't get down to it now, because all your mind feel like, So to me, I was a bit nice, You feel like something can't get down to your leg, Your little dirty floor, where your floor always feel like a sand ground, a sand castle. Your bed, the sheet dirty by your bed like a month you have it on. The pillowcase them black. Plate not dirty. So what you talk about?
So
Yes, where did they?
So why?
Want to talk to you, please. What my friend?
Go on, you good friend.
Me good, man.
Nice place,
Such an
man.
hypocrite.
Thank you very much, man.
You can't go on, you can leave.
Want to talk to? Think of you a quick minute. I'm wondering if you can give me a chance to talk to her. But it was nice seeing you again. Yeah, babe, more chat.
Please,
Urgent.
okay. Look for your husband, how he nice and.
Hey, taking off my husband. I'm
Give me
feeling
the
like jealous.
Bother up, but hey.
Come here, so look man, don't take my there, so go here a while ago.
Is that right? Later,
You can leave now, and please delete my number and don't call me back.
We have your husband number. Later.
Yeah, but you can't follow her because that's the stage drink and jump. I jump this morning. Yeah.
So, who might expect us before you even talk to me? She have your number?
She don't remember.
So she just say she have your number?
Because she tried to get you and realize that. When I come from the beach, listen, babe, this is a serious matter we have to deal with. Guess who come here today? I'm serious, and you come touch me from the back and I hug me and I rub me up and say the same.
Sister.
But you want to go on a date. I said to myself, say, what kind of double jump in her face she feel like if you see her face? You will sweet, you're
Where
sweet.
her face?
Eh?
Where her face?
She had claims that she don't make up, like some push whiskers and something. You look like a, like somebody fresh out of some horror movie. Eh? When you plan for do come babe, me can't take a situation,
Yes.
Eh?
She don't mean no. At least she not harm you.
You mean she not harm me? She pull me down, I run my friend come back here. Run,
What mean she
come back.
pull it away?
Pull me down on the beach, I hung me up and I hold, you smell my smell from it.
Yeah, cause the house smell away too. We say we not even shut about the house, this and the house.
I mean, talk man right there, forget some families and just wipe out the place and so forth, but babe.
I mean, I understand. She did something. Gentleman is supposed to pick her up yesterday, so I don't know what happened. But anyway, yesterday when come and have a feel good, I'm going to sleep. Should he come back here?
Actually, she come up here this morning.
So
Basically,
when you never go outside, you don't see fair side, over fair side, you could open or anything like that?
that over fair, yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, I tell you, sir, when she came up a road and thing, it's the most embarrassing feeling, babe. You see, if you don't really want to see, this is a serious matter. You have to go leave this place and give it some time to deal with it because I don't want to get myself in trouble. She there now, what if she come out the house and ball me? Our ball say, me I do this, I do that, I'm your abuser. What
Everybody knows that she's crazy.
Everybody know, but police don't know.
No. Alright, here one. I gotta talk to her. I go talk to her. And keep the door locked. You see when they're here, so keep the door locked.
Are you come out and do? Are you keep the door locked?
I mean, come out and have a lock the crib. But you see when they're here, just make sure the door locked. Because if the door locked, she can't come in. Because she over there side, you know? She can't wait to enter but through the crib and come through the door.
I'm here to this. Try and make sure so you deal with it. I'm going to show me. It's kind of stinking center. I don't know how she deal with it. Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Sister, so you can't forget her.
And that I think you always say, your sister. Your sister is a mad somebody. Your sister, that me I tell you. We need to make a fair show. So if we talk, everybody know, but obviously maybe you don't know. Maybe you're mad too.
Really?
Let me say like really.
What are they? Yes, I
Yeah, because you see this thing like a joke business or a thing.
They're over-exaggerate. I see that you're over-exaggerate. Me can't, it's like, you don't want me, we can't get a break. It's like...
You get a break. I want a break too.
You want
me enjoy living here with you and anything possible.
I guess me go do.
Where you go do?
Me go make sure say come to her and then me will come down to your place come spend some time.
Admit her. I get her some treatment, slow her down because her brain run too fast. And this thing where she feel like say, I fear her place because I need upon this and that. How they make such a big damn mistake?
Remember, she was not always like this and all that. She knows stuff. That is why she constantly said this is her place.
You go show her, because this is a center week.
Alright, babes. Can I do? This man, I'm a husband, and this lady, I'm a sister. What may I go do? But just need she to get the help, but she forgets.
Young miss, what's going on? Hello? Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? Why you look like that? Why you look so sad? Why you look so sad?
They have one date today, but the date run away from me.
Wow. Sorry to hear that.
Well, I have one boyfriend, but when we go I place today for tell him so we go for one date. And I ask him if he like the makeup. And he say not like the makeup. I like the makeup.
Alright, you just got a little bit overboard, but yeah, alright. Listen, stop the crying. What are you crying for? Listen, stop the crying. You're beautiful. Makeup not define your beauty. So if you can't see your beauty, pass the makeup and for him last.
Really love him enough, but he chose my sister over me. So, it not gonna work out. My sister take a place from me. And my people they left for me. So and then some me head no right and then some me swim around and type of something like I want to go through my brain and I don't know what to do. Everybody here.
Listen, stop. Me not hate you, you know. You might smell fit true, you know. But me know say you're overthinker and it's gonna be alright. Hold your head up, man.
No, I'm gonna be alright. Because my sister called the people them not there to give me injection. I don't know then they look for me right now. So everything now go alright. You know they want to take me away.
Listen, me not gonna make you take care of me. I'm gonna help you. Don't worry about that. Listen, we are go through stress. I know we are overthinking. We know that. But listen, me not make you take care of me. I'm gonna get you something. You know, all that bad. You hear me? Hold your head up, man.
Because my sister want to kill me too. My sister don't like me.
We have protection. We're gonna make sure you're protected. Hold your head up. We're gonna make sure you're protected. Nobody can kill you. I help me go get you. It's not as bad as them say. Hold your head up, man. Get some confidence. Listen, I know you from your little pick me, you know, man. I remember a bright girl in school. Everybody go through stress.
Everybody don't get through stress.
Everybody go through stress, it don't be alright. Remember bright girl? Then you always sit down and we have a lunch and we talk and we laugh, sports, beer. Listen, I just a little bit of stuff you go through now. I'm not going to help you to come through it. Don't worry about your sister.
If you can help me because I really need the help.
I'm not going to help you, I promise. Remember back in the school days where me not even have lunch and you share lunch with me? I have to help you back. But your sister did that, your sister did gone with her friend, them I don't care nothing about you. It's alright. It's alright. Remember me used to cry also as in a school days and you helped me. It's gonna be alright. Listen, cheer up. You see man what she attack? You can get a better man.
Oh.
One day you have to see. You're gonna get a you hear? And man, we're gonna love you to feel the one. I remember some give you a feel. You hear me? First thing, don't worry about that. A little bit of stress will get you. So when you come out of this, then I go wish them the person. No, it hurt you. You hear me? Stay strong. What you need to do is you go home, you go wash your face.
I don't want to go back to work. You might catch me if I go back home. No, go back home.
So where you have to go? So where me can help to put you up until me find somewhere? You want to come up to my house? Why not?
Okay, I'm a sister friend. I'm not just
Listen, no. Although me and your sister are friends, me closer to you. Listen, relax. No, come on, man. No, listen. Me closer to you. Me not make your sister hurt you. You can't do that. No, listen. No, you relax. Me go on you. Go home. Wash your face. Me go and get you. We go have ice cream. Try to cheer you up.
alright then.
You go feel better? Yeah, remember. Friend for life. Your sister, me just tolerate her because of you. Remember, you hear? Alright. So,
Thanks.
yeah. Remember, together from school days. Alright. Make sure you go and go wash your face now, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, wash your face. Go home, go wash your face, remember? Bye. Stay strong.
As I come into your presence right now, God, I just want to give you thanks for everything that you've done for me. You know, a long time when I go find me and pray to you like this because I once was lost, but now I found I can't believe me fall in a depression. And me a look to man to bring me back round. God, but my son never called for you. But my brain never there none at all. I'm glad you send a friend to come and save me. Come in my life, go and talk to me. Bring back senses to me. Put me in the right path. God, if I never feel you, I don't know what would I do. But thank you again for everything that you've done. In Jesus' name, amen.
Sis, well, we love to see this. They are prayer, man. When I say, you don't want to say a still pray?
Well, things happen. Sometimes in our life, we lost ourselves, but God know how to bring me back round and put me on track.
And that is good.
Yeah, I know that is good. But you know why the greatest, why hurtful this thing? God used stranger, not family, to put up on track. Because when you search for help and you go to your family, then treat you like trash. Then treat you like you're senseless, like you're stupid.
Sister.
But this is stranger, then sit you down, then talk to you, and correct your brain.
Sister, so we are trying to never talk to you, I never sit down with you?
You ever say that?
All the time. You see, because you take this thing to that me ever tell people, your was not like that. It not was like a band away there. You just take certain things and put in your head and fall in depression. And because used to this old bag of pill thing, me understand you don't want to take no pill. But don't say it have a texture. You know what things me do? You know what try with you?
Yeah, more than try, or not try if you want me down. But they say anything one that try to use one me down, the man up above lift it and send it back to his sender. So when I'm getting I'm doing this news.
What do you mean try hold it down? Where is the media try hold it down?
I throw my car, I never call no phone.
There you go again. Okay, now, I'm just glad you're alright and you're back in your right frame of mind. And I'm tired to tell you, yes, I know you lose your best friend, but I saw it go. You never take it so hard when mommy gone, so why? That is why I never know, I never see this coming.
Mommy, I'm my best friend and good friend, somebody. Yeah, I take it hard when my mother passed. But I see my best friend they come like our next half of me. So that's when I lose her, I don't know, like part of me gone with it. So you have to understand. Yeah, people pass off most of the time, but not everybody take it to an extent way. You know, remember saying my best friend, I tell everything, everything about me. So all of them they sit in their memories, they sit in the go lick your cheek.
Your mommy should be your best friend or your sister. And every time I try to talk to you, it's like you just push me further away. But I'm glad you're okay. And yes, the light of day. But me even walk and look for your book and I couldn't find him. My husband tell me say you take him and say you can't find date with him. Is that true?
Well, yes, that's true. That's why my brain deacon, but now me alright. I really have to apologize to him for all of them this stuff there because that never right. But even though my brain never there, you don't have to worry about that again.
When I go try to seduce your husband or tell me say I'm a man or whatever.
That wasn't the issue. My issue is what's getting you better. I know you're better, so I'm alright with that. But I can't get an ex-husband, you know, I can't get an ex-sister.
Oh.
So why you, come on, go give me a hug. Miss Lager? So you're alright. So you don't want to hug your sister?
You think I deserve
Of course, me. After me a good sister to you?
If I have a sister.
What me ever do for say me a bad sister to you?
You know what? I feel like this girl got to one level I don't want to go. You want anything else?
No. Alright, have a good day. Bye. Babes! Hello? Mother woman, I don't understand. When you tell me say my sister never going to come back and she going to lose her mind forever, so all of a sudden she come back. And I got say, whatever we do to her, I got turn back and all of them stop me there. Look here, and millions of them pay for this, you know. What do you mean by calm down? What do you mean I should calm down? What me I say? What is going on? Me need back my money. It's me gonna make people know say it's a fraud. Me can't leave me out so early. You tell me say it was going to last forever until she gone. So me not understand all of a sudden now she's back and she talk one bag of things say whatever wanna do to her and if me want what you say if the cap fit me if me feel wear it and it got turn back. You see that's what I tell you say I'm never interested in them something about because me make you brainwash me. Me need my money. Me need back my money. Or you gotta do the work as it should. Sunday, you crazy. When you leave me out so early Sunday, me have husband and things to do, you know. Madam. So you come back? Yes, I'm me and my man just up here
Listen. I never asked you nothing, I know everything. So, for me tell us if you come do some more payment, you know come, you know make no payment none at all, and you find back yourself right and stuff. Listen to me now. I done work, you know. I done work, alright now me just order my man. And my man never check right now. I done work this. Can't deal with you right now, you understand? Hey,
You forgot a $3.5 million me give you? I just said to the last year, so you need me to give you more money now.
Left the place. You know what I want there, left the place.
How short this?
Left the place. Left the place before me. Hey, you don't want to be a something real, leave the place, go and make back some payment, and then you talk to me.
It's alright. It's okay. Because I know you're fraud for a long time now. You see? No matter worry yourself, because my father better than you and I have to find him.
I do say your tumble. Lock them out to your side yet. Look if you go open back your mouth to your side here. You know what happened.
Go over the sun with the headlights. Me go around on fire. Me a stickers. Me a glue. Where are there? Right fast.
You good? You good?
You like that?
I don't know what it's like, me don't know what go on, but you look different, you sound different, you sound more conscious. Eh?
Yeah, right, man.
You're good?
So, how are things?
Jesus Christ, what? No, sir.
Yes,
Eh?
because me, but if you come down here, because I want to apologize. You owe me did that behave back then,
Yeah. Hold on. What is your name?
my name is Liza.
I can't tell you how much I'm happy to see this kind of America. I've never seen this in a long time, which... Good to see you, man. Good to see you.
Good to see
Your sister saying to talk your sister? Or your sister... something them do to you?
She did come up here.
So then carry a place and...
Who?
And start to...
Who bring me?
Eh? Your sister?
My sister.
Come on, man. Talk one
Even
again.
though she is my sister, she a hypocrite. And God show me everything in my vision, but I'm just not ready to release my ears. But just know, say, anything they do to me, I go straight back to the same.
Them do to you, what do you mean them do to you? Well,
Show me calm. Never calm before.
it's good to see you. Hey, trust me, I've never been so happy in my life in a long time for somebody, but yeah, this is you. This is you. Pick up yourself. Babes. Babes. Jessica. Jessica. What? Where there?
I'm coming. I'm inside the room.
What's up?
Oh.
Hmm?
Oh.
Trouble.
Alright.
What's up?
I'm just tired now. So where you come from?
Oh, well, take a moment.
Yes, well, so. Where you come from?
Babe. To be honest, I don't know if me I say doubles, me I say blinky, or me I say dopey.
Why you say that?
You see a sister, I want to go on the road, see? And I don't know if it's a miracle or something, I don't know. But She don't look like she mother again. Clean up. I wanna do. And then check her. When would I be that?
Go for our house today. Go say she been up on her knee. I pray. I said, you know, she thought about everything she got through and how she was her best friend and all of that.
Who never know that part then?
Yes, she said when I want to finish for everything and then I said to her, she said whatever one did do to me, it turned back in me when she said we attacked, so yeah, send me this something to you. She said if they kept fit me for wear it.
So hold on. So really somebody will use good upon her? I know you will use good upon her. I joke, man. Couldn't you, man? One to you. Check, man, just easy to get uptight and vexed. You see?
Me go market early Monday morning.
Man, go do what?
Me go market.
Just go market later on.
Need stuff, you know, there's no yellow yam there, no banana no there. I'm gonna need more cane. You see me buy from she come out very, very early. Cause she's not the person who come at town and stay at home. She come and she sell the things and liquid and nothing and by 8 o'clock she go home.
Okay.
You know this my hours I get up early for reach her. So I'm gonna go Monday.
But it's a good feeling if you know say sister is back, not true? When you laugh and smile, one thing.
I'm glad so she back, you know. She made me just feel that we here.
Like what? How do you mean feel that way?
She said family are wicked. And we are glad they are all sitting there.
No, but it's a good feeling to see her though. Because the last time I see her, she went smell like real rubbish truck past me. You know what I mean? Nice girl. Oh my God. Eddie friendly. Rub me look a bit now.
Well, my hope she, my sister, she always believe in something.
She believe in what?
Superstition, sitting and old tongue and then sitting there, people over there.
What babe, you believe in it?
No, babe, some people believe in them mad something they're crazy.
You take time with me and you have at one thing you just...
Nah, we're here at...
You just, no,
where you come from?
You mean where I come from, where I come from. When you call the bridge in the man, you know, so I come back in and...
Alright, I want not to how me feel, I never cook.
What? What do you mean you cook?
I don't cook and I don't feel good.
So you don't feel good, I don't understand. So why wolf? Knowing you know, how you think, you know, it's like there's always something that will drive you to not want to cook, not feel good. Or you hear that again?
Yeah. My sister kind of stressed me out a little bit, so...
She stress you out? How much she stress you out?
Things that we share say. Things that we share say. I'm going to tell you, things that we share say, after the thing we share say, kind of stress. Alright, you see my father?
I fear her father too.
They kind of that said my mother. They one man with which what's her name? They not say believe in a witch.
Hey, you know something like you walked up, you know. And the last time you in a sit down and sit and drop around so me I wonder what and you said don't worry yourself because obviously I must want to write our puss around there. So, I understand, and you assure me you never believe in certain things.
I don't believe in it.
So, who you talk to me about, you know?
But she just sell one and then them just say my father has some spiritual sitting on there. So sitting on me, I don't even know. I mean, they believe in that, what? She said something with me, you know?
I'm going to say to you, so, you know,
no,
you don't look so happy if you know so your sister is back.
I'm happy that she's back.
Because God is real, you know?
Of course.
And you have to know, so if God will, nothing can hold them down. You know what I mean? But it is what it is still.
And the neighbor baby.
Your neighbor now have a baby, what kind of baby is that?
Baby, you know, so of course she have baby. And a fair baby.
So what kind of baby?
Her sister baby. You know, so she keep her sister baby sometimes.
You know, like you look kind of confused.
Alright, I'm okay. When I feel a little bit down, I cook.
You cook, no?
Yeah, I cook. What do you want? I have some cabbage and saltfish or
Hello,
callaloo.
if you cook one more cabbage and saltfish, man, this house, I'm gonna run away. You understand what I say?
No run galang. Where may I cook then?
You can't give me like a chicken.
Yeah, I have chicken in the fridge.
I'm just like a pork. I want to say,
You eat pork?
I eat pork. I'm saying original I eat pork and it look like my giant themselves.
So you want to eat pork too?
This one try, don't cook too.
Me not cook that because me not near me.
So why you can't be trying?
Nothing you're a rasta. You know I thought you was a rasta?
This is not about being a rasta, it's about, it's how industry. Fashion a bit. I mean, I say this. You can't live your husband.
No, you're crazy.
Something to go with.
Anything you want to come in and cook no pork. You ever see me cook pork in the kitchen there?
Where see you cook then? Where you cook then?
Me cook the chicken and don't raise the rice for
You
me.
need to raise the vice again. So why you raise the vice for me?
Are you first?
No, but you come tell like say me weird and strange for
But you're weird and strict. I will never hear mention pork in this house again.
But you weird and strange. You act like saying happy for your sister get back better. So who weird that?
You know what? I'm not even in an argument and talk with them. Go in the kitchen and cook the food. Because you see, you bring one next level and I don't want to give you.
Which next level I bring it to?
What do you mean that's how I said, I'm not happy with my sister.
You're not happy? Happiness is when you...
Yeah, but you like my sister. You hate my sister.
I don't hate the sister. I just have a problem with how she attack me every time. That's all.
You should have got somebody attack you, somebody attracted to you.
Yo,
Look at family.
Yo, you see, if you talk about attracted to me, you see, you notice that every time when you talk about your sister, you upset and uptight you. Everything
So when me every time, because
what they are dark, most of my life, everything.
you always want like some sister the worst, so people tell
I never say she words, but just say it's like every time we talk, you say go deal with her. It's like, yeah man, she's alright, she go deal with. You just always
know. So somebody else never deal with her, I want to deal with her, I want to deal with her for a moment, man. Let me deal with her.
You do it, so that means say.
What do you mean I do it?
You're just slow to it every time.
Because you don't like my sister, you try to brainwash me for like her.
You don't like this sister, oh, me like this sister.
We don't appear this conversation with you.
This conversation? I mean, I have no conversation. The conversation, this is... I cuss your cousin for what I don't know. I say I like a pork and you make it sound like me a madman. Eh? Your sister get back better and you come go on like you're happy. I don't like this how it feel. Do you have the fast answer?
The subscriber free. You subscribe yet?
Show them Tim Dog. Yeah. To the world again. I am Mason. Show them. You know what? You hear? Through all the good times and the bad times, I'm a survivor. Yes, I'm a survivor. Through all the good times and all of the bad times, I'm a survivor. Yes, I'm a survivor. I and I, we are the real survivors. Nothing they can do can ever keep us down. Oh no, no, no. I and I, we are the real survivors. Fittest of the fittest shall survive. Through all the good times and the bad times, I'm a survivor. Yes, I'm a survivor. Through all the good times and all of the bad times, I'm a survivor. Yes, I'm a survivor. I'm a survival. Food got to be at me arrival. Prepare for shout and tidal. Hey, survival. Food got to be at me arrival. Cause some people just move so suicidal. Woo. Survival. Food got to be at me arrival. Prepare for shout and tidal. Hey, survival. Food got to be at me arrival. Cause some people just move so suicidal. Hey, vocabulary advance. People a wonder, oh what a grand. Me say farming, all in my mind I just farm. Me nah farm full farm peas and corn. Prepare my mind and prepare my physics. The early man send the kid them off to school. Come me princess ganja help me help myself. Cause the earth me no scan. Prepare for shout and not get weather fit the storm. Hey, them a wonder what a gone. Alright then, I am listen to the word again. Go show them what's on high. Yes, I'm a survivor.